Preserving season is just around the corner, and it's time to decide what we want to freeze our fruits and vegetables in this year. So I've used 3 different types of containers to freeze my fruits and vegetables: a hard-sided plastic container, plastic freezer bags, and vacuum seal bags. So here's what I've learned. So the hard-sided containers, they're great for snacking, but it can have air in it, and this will freeze or burn and ice up the produce, usually within a year. So I want to show you this. This is my raspberries, and as you can see, this is super icy, and these have been in the freezer about 8 months. So I do like the hard-sided containers, but we do get ice. All right, so number 2 is the plastic freezer bag, and this is really great for short term, like up to 4 weeks or so. But after that, the produce tends to get icy, and the produce can also freeze or burn within a year. And when I take the bags out of the freezer, they leak water all over the place as they thaw out. So this is some of my zucchini. It's been in here 7-8 months, be my guess. And as you can see, it's really icy. It's really hard to push all the air out when you just have like the Ziploc at the top. So more ice on this side. And like I say, when I thaw this, I have to put it in another bowl because it just leaks all over the place. Okay, so the third way that I save my produce is the vacuum seal bags, and they're really great for the freezer. So earlier this year, I was in the bottom of my chest freezer, and I found a still sealed bag of broccoli that I vacuum sealed 11 years ago. And I would show it to you, but it looked really good, so I thawed it out, and we had it for dinner. It was amazing and still fresh. Pretty amazing that it could last 11 years in the bottom of the freezer. You know, the only thing that kept me from using more vacuum seal bags was the cost, and I was using a name brand bag, and they are really pricey. So this spring I came across the Out of Air vacuum seal bags, and so I gave them a try, and was surprised that the bulk roll was significantly cheaper than the name brand, and the bags were thicker. And now this is good because the thinner bags, they can lose their seal when they get banged around in the freezer. Now the Out of Air bags are also BPA free, which is super important to me. I don't need chemicals in my food. And the other thing is they are reusable, so you can just wash and dry them, and then you can use them again. So I can get a thicker bag that's cheaper, and I can reuse them. Now this is a game changer for me, so this year we're gonna do a ton of the vacuum bags. Preserving my homegrown fruits and vegetables are a big part of my health plan and money saving plan. Now Out of Air has just made my preserving program better and cheaper than it was before. So if you'd like to give the Out of Air vacuum bags a try, there's a link in the description below for you to find them.